I never thought I'd find myself lost in the Sahara, but here I am, standing on top of a massive sand dune, watching the sun rise over an endless sea of gold. It's crazy, guys. The silence out here is deafening, and the vastness of it all, it's like nothing I've ever experienced before. You know that feeling when you're completely out of your element? That's me right now. So, check this out. As we're trekking through this seemingly lifeless landscape, suddenly, out of nowhere, we stumble upon this incredible oasis. Palm trees, crystal clear water, it's like a mirage come to life. The contrast between the harsh desert and this lush paradise is mind-blowing. And let me tell you, after hours of sand in my shoes, jumping into that cool water was like, heaven. But the real magic happens when we meet the Berber people. These guys have lived in the Sahara for centuries, and their connection to this land is unbelievable. They showed us hidden caves with ancient rock art, taught us how to find water in the desert. It's like stepping into a whole different world. I can't believe places like this still exist, untouched by modern life. It's a journey that's changed me, and I hope it changes the way you see the world too.